call button and then press OK. I'm going to do it. Service data and full service. You need to go down arrow key, then after that do this one select, and you need to press confirm. I already done that one, then I'm not. Today I'm going to show you how to reset oil service light without computer. I'm using these two keypads. First need to ignition turn, first turn, yeah. When you turn second one, your ignition on, not for the second one, just turn one, right? When you turn one, your dashboard like this. After that you need to call button and then press OK. I'm going to do it now. Hold the call button and then OK. Keep holding. Once I hold, it's changing the dashboard like this. Vehicle data like that. Then I had to scroll down this with down arrow. Then once you come into the assistant plus, you need to press OK. Once you press OK, it's coming to the service data and full service. You need to go down arrow key and full service. Once you press OK again, scroll down. This is your all pass service and confirm full service. Once you come to the confirm full service, you need to press OK. Then after that they ask in the oil quality. Then after that do this one select, and you need to press confirm. I already done that one, then I'm not going to confirm. This is the way we need to do without computer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow our channel, then you can get a lot of useful video and tips like this. See you with another video.
Thanks for watching.